In this video, I will show you how to navigate Canvas and complete your quiz or exam by using only your voice, and that is through using a software called Dragon Naturally Speaking. Alright, so let's get started. So my Dragon Naturally Speaking is on already, and it is listening to my voice, as you see this green icon up top. Okay. Click ARC DSPS. Choose 2. Click Quizzes. Click Accessibility Test 2. Choose 1. Scroll down. Click Preview. Alright, so this is the first question. The choices are considered radio buttons. So a radio button is pretty much you choose one, so it's like a multiple choice. So for question 1, click radio button. Choose 2. Okay, so you see I said click radio button. It highlights the choices, and the choices are numbered, and then you simply say choose and you speak the number to make the choice. Alright, click next. Okay, so question 2, same as question 1. I'm gonna say click radio button. It's gonna highlight the choices, the multiple choice choices for me, and then I'm gonna say choose. I'm gonna speak the number, the highlighted number which I want to choose. Click radio button. Choose 4. Click next. Okay, so question 3. These two text boxes are considered text field. So that if you're gonna use Dragon Naturally Speaking to type in these boxes, you will say click text field, and it's gonna see. So like now I said click text field, and it highlighted the two text boxes. So the command to choose which text box to type in is click text field. It highlights the available text boxes, and you choose the one. So now I'm gonna say choose 1. American. Click text field. Choose 2. Classes. Click next. Okay, question 4, similar as question 3, except it is a one large text box. Okay, so this is this could be an example of an essay question. Scroll down. Click text field. I am now typing this paragraph with my voice. Period. This is a demonstration video for American River College. Period. New line. This is the end of the paragraph. Period. Click next. Alright, so this question is an example of a matching question. Click left 1. Show choices. Choose right 1. Click left 2. Show choices. Choose right 2. Click submit quiz. Alright, so this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at American River College at the DSPS department. Thank you.